So what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I received the cylinder heads from the machine shop, so I got them here on the bench. So they are looking pretty fresh, all resurfaced and cleaned up. So I also got the valve guides and the valve seats machined. So now all I have to do is clean them a bit up because they are filthy. I didn't manage to do that before because I was kind of in a hurry. So yeah, I'm gonna try and clean them up a little bit. So to clean the cylinder heads, I'm gonna be using these brushes that I have prepared along with some cleaning agent. This one is also used for wheels, for alloy wheels, and I also got this other one that is for engine parts and stuff like that. So I'm gonna try them both and see which one is better. So first of all, I'm gonna be putting them in this box that I got prepared so that I can spray them with the cleaning agent that I had prepared and showed you already. So yeah, I'm gonna leave you with the time lapse. So I've just sprayed them really good. You can see how dirty and black they are. So now I'm gonna let them soak in for a while, and afterwards I'm gonna start with the brushes. So I left the cylinder to soak in for like half an hour, and now you can see that all of the buildup, it's slowly fading away. I also didn't use the brush yet. I've just sprayed it with this cleaning agent. So you can see just by spraying it's removing the buildup. So I'm gonna spray a little bit more and then start to use the brushes. So it's always good to wear glasses because you don't want any of that stuff in your eyes. So let's get started. So check it out, guys, just how nice it cleans up. So I've just used this soft brush that I had. I didn't use the toothbrushes that I brought with. So I just scrubbed it like that, very gently. So what you want to do is use a brush like this that has this plastic surrounding so that you don't scratch where the hydraulic lifter go in. So I'm just gonna continue scrubbing them until they are clean enough and I'm satisfied with the result. So check it out, guys. Just look how clean the cylinder heads got just by using this product. So I'm telling you, this thing makes wonders. Yeah, search them on YouTube. They have like Facebook pages and Instagram also. So this is a German product. Try it out. You will not be disappointed. Just look at this, at the cylinder heads, how they look after cleaning them. So also the other parts, they are all cleaned out and yeah, ready to be mounted again on the cylinder heads. So I still have to clean a bit the valves. They still look pretty nasty. So I just finished cleaning up the valves. All I have to do now is mount the seals on the valve guides, and afterwards I can mount the valves and put the springs and the retainers. So I'm gonna leave you with the time lapse. So now I'm just gonna put some oil on the valves, and then I'm gonna insert them each in his place. So all the valves are in on the first cylinder head. They have a tight fit on there. So now I'm just gonna put the springs in. And the caps. And then I'm gonna be pressing the springs so that I can mount again the retainers. So let's do that. can see, guys, all the valves are in. They are clamped into with the keepers. So now all I have to do is repeat on the other cylinder head. So the next step will be to mount the hydraulic lifters. So before you do that, you want to make sure the head is perfectly clean. So I used some brake cleaner, and I used the air gun to make sure that the head is really clean and doesn't have any debris on it and stuff. So now what you want to do is put some oil on each of the hydraulic lifters and then insert them back in. So now I'm just gonna put some oil on top of the hydraulic lifters, make them all, get them all covered in oil, and also the seats where the cam will sit on. Now that's done, I'm just gonna replace the cam. Like that, and again maybe pour a bit of oil over the cam. Get it all covered in oil. Like that. And now I can remount each of the caps. The same order that they came out. Don't forget to place the O-rings also. So now I'm gonna use the torque wrench to tighten the bolts up. So I already set it at 10 Newton meters. So I'm gonna start from the inside and slowly again on the outside in a diagonal pattern. So there you have it, guys. This cylinder head is done. All I have to do is throw it in the car, but before I do that, I'm gonna repeat the same thing on the other one. So I'm getting ready to mount the cylinder heads back on the block. So before I do that, I want to show you something. So I mentioned in the earlier video that I'm gonna use 4 of the cylinder head gaskets. So my plan is to use these plates like that, so you can make a nice sandwich plate. That's how they call it. So yeah, I'm gonna do that on both of the cylinder heads. So what's that gonna do is that it's gonna lower the compression rate from 10 to 1 to 8.2 to 1, so that the engine will accept some boost. So if you want to see some more of that, please like and subscribe, and watch out for the next video.